Okay guys, we're taking a look at the 50-piece kids disposable face mask in this video. So these obviously are disposable and meant for kids, specifically age 3 to 12. However, I do fit them on my 28-year-old face here. So if you have a smaller head, you might be able to make them work on your face. So here's a look at the cherry pattern on. It does come also with a taco one, a fox one, a little unicorn, as well as a galaxy and a taco one. So lots of cool patterns. Great for school, camp, stores, travel. The elastic earlobes work great. It does have a moldable nose clip as well to fit it right up to your face and reinforce seams. So very much a strong little mask. 3 layers of soft non-woven fabric allow it to be very much breathable. A melt blown filter layer to filter out everything you want coming in and out, or not so much coming in and out. And it is super soft against your skin. It does come in other colors as well, or prints. Check them out. They do a camouflage, some other colors, galaxies, and prints.